we are going to factorize quadratic expressions 5x square minus 13x plus 6. In this expression, as it's not a perfect square, so we have to do midterm breaking. Midterm breaking means we have to make factors of 5, 6 are 30, the 5 and 6, the terms which are at the end. We have to make the factors of 30 in such a way when we add the two factors we get minus 13, and when we multiply the two factors we get plus 30. So first of all we will make the get the all factors of 30. 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, I think one more, 5 into 6. So we have to choose one of these combinations which give us 13 when we add and gives us 30. All these gives us 30. This sign, plus sign, this plus sign shows that we have to add both the factors. That is, either both factors should be negative or both factors should be positive. Otherwise, while multiplying, we cannot have positive 30. This sign shows that the bigger factor will be negative. Okay, we have to basically add the factors. So both factors should be negative. As the bigger factor should be negative, we need both the factors negative. So I think I have to take minus 10 and 3, which will give me minus 13, and when I shall multiply it will give me 30. Let's start. 5x square minus 10x minus 3x. You can observe that minus 10 and minus 3 both are negative. We can add them, we can have minus 13, and when I shall multiply minus 3 with minus 10, I shall have positive 30. Now I make the pairs. From the first pair I shall take common 5 and x. 5 and x, so I shall have only x left here and 2 here. 5 2s are 10, x is outside. Minus 3 common from this pair, x remaining here, and as I have taken negative sign outside, so this plus will become negative, because when I shall multiply minus minus plus, so I have only 2 here. 3 2s are 6, negative negative positive. This bracket is same, it means your working is correct. If this bracket is different, it means you have done wrong working, or you have chosen the wrong pair. X minus 2, as it is common, I shall take it in the start, or I shall take it first, and this is the remaining number, 5x and minus 3. If I have to check my answer, I can multiply these two, 5x square minus 3x minus 10x, that is 13x, and 3 2s are 6. Answer is correct. 4r square minus 7r plus 3. Factors of 4 3s are 12. Factors of 12, 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. As I have already explained, this plus sign telling us that the both factors should have the same sign. Either both are positive, then we can add, or both are negative, then we can add. Okay. If I take both factors negative because of this, and if I need the bigger factor minus, so I have to take this combination, as I have minus 4r and minus 3r equal to minus 7r, and minus minus plus 4 3s are 12. Simple. 4r common from this, r minus 1, minus 3 common, r. This is plus, but when I have taken minus sign outside, it will be negative 1. Same bracket, you can take it outside, and the remaining number inside. This is the answer. 9x square minus 33x plus 24. I have to make the factors of 24. 9s are 24 multiplied by 9, 2 1 6. If I observe this question, I can easily find a number which is common in all these three. What is that number? That is 3. If I take 3 outside, I shall have 3x squared minus 11x plus 3 8s are 24. You can see now this expression is much more easier than this expression. And now you have to make the factors of 8 3s are 24. The factors of 24 are 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. As this number increases, this number decreases, and finally we get either no difference or the least difference here, which we can check, which is not the factor of the given number, that is 24. That in this difference we only have 5, and in 5's table we don't have 24. Okay, this plus sign shows both factors are same. So I shall have 3x squared minus, okay, select the factors, 8 and 3 11. I think this is the only option, as 6 and 4 10. We don't need 10. 12 and 2 14. We don't need 14, and we don't need 25. Okay, 11x, 3x and 8x both are negative. We can also take 8 first, it doesn't matter, you will have the same answer. Making factors, as it was 3, so I have taken 3 first. Both factors will be of the same sign, as we have to add, either both are positive or both are negative. This sign tells us that both are negative. This 3 outside, bracket inside, from this pair we shall take 3 and 1x outside, x from here minus 1, minus 8 from here, x. This plus sign will become negative, as you have already taken negative sign outside. So when you will open the bracket, minus minus plus. So if you have taken minus sign outside, inside signs will be changed. 8 1s are 8. Your bracket is same. You are towards the answer. X minus 1, 3x minus 8, remaining numbers along with this 3. 18w square minus w minus 39. We cannot take anything common. If we cannot take anything common, so we have to make the factors of 39 multiplied by 18. Definitely it's a very big number. 8 9s are 72, 8 3s are 24, and 7, 31. 1 9s are 9, 1 3s are 3. Okay, this is 9 1 10, 3 and 3 6, 702. We have to make the factors of 702. As 702 is a big number, so I will not ask you to make the factors of 702. Instead of that, we make the ladder of 702. Ladder will also give us factors. When we have a bigger number, we go to ladder. 2 3s are 6, 7, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. I cannot take 2 again, as the last number is odd. It means that it is not divisible by 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Again with 3, 3 3s are 9, 10 11, 3 9s are 27. Again with 3, 3 13. Okay, this is a prime number, so you cannot go ahead. If one number is prime, let's multiply all other numbers. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, if I take 27 from these 3 and 13 2s are 26 from these 2, you can see we need the gap of 1. This sign shows that the both factors are going to be subtract. If we have to subtract them, we are going to put the first factor negative, and the difference between the two factors is 1. So if I take 27 from these 3, 27w, 13 2s are 26. You can see that there is a gap of 1, negative 1, and then we have 39. Making the pairs, 18 common along with w, 18w, 1w inside, 18, no, we cannot take 18 outside, we can hardly take 9 outside. 9w, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. 9 2s are 18 along with W. 9 3s are 27. It's single W, so W is outside. From here we shall take 13 common, and 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. You can observe that your bracket is same, or in other words you can take the factors from here like this. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18, 13 3s are 39. You can easily observe this. Okay, 2W minus 3 common bracket, and the remaining number is 9W plus 13. Again, before making the factors, look at the expression. You have 3 common, so you will have 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Factors of 24, 1 into 24, 2 into 12. Keeping in mind factors should be of opposite sign because this is negative, so we have to subtract. 3 8s are this is the pair we need, as when we subtract we get 5. 3 bracket 8h square minus 8h plus 3h will give you 5h minus 3. What is common in the first pair? 8 common, 8h, h minus 1, 3 common, h minus 1, and you will have the final answer.